They are giving us a show. Buffalo is closer now.
Sometimes I look up in the night sky. Do we look at the same star? 'Cause I might be so wrong and I'm feeling so high. I don't even know why I want to try. Maybe because I'll let it die if I roll the dice. Remember me if you feel like no one can see who you are. I really loved it.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So on today's video, I'm at a very beautiful place. It's on a Sunday and we have come. So we are here at the Nairobi Animal Orphanage. I've just come from visiting the park. So these are the entry charges. If you're a non-resident, it's $22, and if you're a Kenyan citizen, it's 215 shillings. And for kids above 3 years, it's 125 Kenyan shillings. So let's go pay and let's explore together.
Who you are, I really loved it. I'll be there everywhere you need. Remember me.
So these are some rules and regulations that you must abide to when you go inside. Nairobi Animal Orphanage serves as a haven for injured, orphaned, and vulnerable animals that require specialized care before returning back to the world. The animals might vary from lions, cheetahs, hyenas, leopards, buffalo, and many more. Also birds such as parrots, Guinea fowls, crowned cranes, and ostriches can be found here. We have this African crown crane. Its Swahili name is Korongo, and if you are a Kikuyu, it's called a Mohau. It has a lifespan of 20 years in the wild and up to 30 years in captivity. So here it is. It's so beautiful. Here we have Guinea fowl. Guinea fowls are so many. They're so cute. They are feeding on some maize, as you can see. Our next view was these cheetahs. They were just chilling and relaxing after having a scrumptious meal for lunch. I don't know why they're bored. They're just sleeping down. If you are looking forward to come to this animal orphanage, I would advise you to come from around 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. when the animals are being fed. Here we have a Guinea cat. I've never seen this before. So let's take a look at it. There it is. I don't know if you can see it clearly. That's the Guinea cat. It's laying down there inside, so you can see it so clearly. Then we have this female lion. It's a female. It's so huge. Wow, look at that. Lioness. Have you seen a lion? It's a lioness. And it's caged. They're so beautiful and huge. Hey! They are giving us a show.
They're showing off.
Mm.
They just woke up. They were asleep.
Oh, they were asleep. The male lion. Hey, lions are, yeah, the king of the jungle. The lions are so active there. And so many people are over there looking at it. Wow. She has gone back to sleep. Here we have stripped hyenas. There it is. Hey. Which one? The other one has hidden itself. It's as if it's not feeling well. It has a limping leg. That one is limping. Here we have a spotted hyena. Here are the details. It has a lifespan of 12 years in captivity. So this one is sleeping, and it's just one. I don't see any other over here. It's sleeping. Here we have another lion, a female lion. We have just been told that they are from feeding, that's why they are not so active. Like that one is sleeping, and the other one over there. There's another one over there. They're just from feeding, that's why they are sleeping. But I'm so excited. These things are so beautiful and they're so huge. The lions are so huge. Look at that. Wow. I have a leopard. Chui. Mzee Chui mwenyewe. But it's up there. I don't know if you can see it. But they're just from feeding. That's why they are asleep. It's up there on top of the tree. I don't know if you can see it. Here we have an African Cape buffalo. It's right over there feeding. I don't know if you can see it clearly. It's over there. There it is. It's feeding. Buffalo is closer now. Here it is. Buffalo itself. Buffalo. It's so huge. Look at the monkeys over here. They are eating maize. Hey, so here comes the end of our video. We really enjoyed seeing the animals at a closer view, especially the lions. So I would highly recommend you to visit this place. It's really worth your money and time.